you guys want to learn how to make aguachile, just keep on watching and stay tuned for the final product. It's so bomb. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alondra, and if you guys aren't, then welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be cooking aguachiles. Well, you don't technically cook them, but make aguachiles, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys try this out. It's honestly very bomb. Like, I love it. And you guys probably think like, damn, esta nunca se arregla, or like she never gets ready, she looks like a bum. And honestly, I just finished cleaning, and so I'm just gonna make this before everyone gets home. And yeah, so that's why my hair looks like this. But honestly, ya estoy cambiada, don't worry, ya tengo mi sudadera with my leggings. But yeah, with this whole quarantine, I don't really like getting ready because I'm trying to let my skin breathe and my hair like freaking recover. So I'm not putting any heat in my hair, I'm not putting anything on my face. So yeah, that's why I be looking like this. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to grab your shrimp, obviously, and I get this bag from Sam's Club. And since they're still a little bit frozen, as you could see, I am going to be putting hot water in them so they could unfreeze, and then I'm gonna be peeling them and cutting them. So I'll be right back.
My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in.
Okay, so now I will be cutting them. You could either cut them in half so they could be thinner, or you could just cut them in little pieces. I prefer cutting them in little pieces because the pepino, I cut them in dices as well. So I just cut them in little pieces. Okay, so now we're gonna season the raw shrimp with black pepper. And honestly, the black pepper is as much as you would like. So
I died.
You want it to die?
No, I'm just saying it. No,
and then you mix it like so. And then you put salt as much as you would like. So then you just let that sit there. And then that's when you put the purple onion pieces inside of the bowl as well. So then I just cut this in thin sliced pieces and small pieces. I don't like putting a lot. Again, this is like, put as many as you like cebolla. I don't know. For allá cebolleros and cebolleras. I don't know if that's a word, but it is today. Okay, so now I'll be cutting the limones and filling this cup up with the limon, because I like adding the limon last so the shrimp could cook, because I like it as raw as possible. Okay, so it took me 10 limones to fill this cup, and I think that's gonna be enough. And we're gonna hold that to the side for a bit. And I can't find the pelador, so I have to peel it with a knife. And honestly, I kind of suck at this. I'll be cutting off half of the pepino. Cut them in little dices. But in all honesty, you could cut them however you want. But
everything held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Okay, so for the chile, I just take a bunch of cilantro. I don't know how much I want to use, but it's a lot. So I'm going to use this bunch of cilantro. I use 2 chile serranos and a jalapeno, or you could just use chile serranos. It doesn't really matter. It's totally up to preference. And then you usually put a small piece of onion, so I think this should be good enough. but I'm gonna add a little bit more. I should just edit the whole thing, huh? That, and then you add lemon so it can actually blend. Lime, lemon, whatever, limon. That's what I call it. So it could blend. I think that's enough. Hopefully. So I put basically half of the cup of the lime that we squeezed, and the rest half is gonna go in the thing. So I'm gonna blend this real quick. So I went ahead and blended the chile, and so it looks like this. Not too heavy, not too thick. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start making the guacamole. And we use guacamole because, well, it's just really avocado, but we use it to put on the tostada and then put the aguachile on top, and it's so bomb, guys.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up.
Mash it.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give.
3 avocados? Yeah. 3.5. 3.5. I season the avocado with this right here. Can you see? I season it with this. And this is obviously just preference. You could season it whatever, with limon, sal, whatever, but I use this. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon, just a tiny splash. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the limon in here. The whole limon in here, the rest que sobra. And then I'm gonna mix it. Also put in the green chile, all of it. And I mix that. So I mix the pepino together.
Make sure you have a big bowl.
Yeah. So you mix that together. Okay guys, so this is a finished product. Look at this, it looks so bomb. Like, oh yes, so bomb. And then with the guacamole, and these are the tostadas that we came with. I'm prepping my tostada. So then we grab the guacamole, the aguacate, whatever you want to call it. That's obviously not guacamole because guacamole is more than just aguacate. So you smear the aguacate all over, and then te echas tu aguachile. It's bomb. Trust me, guys. Trust. Te lo echas, and it's ready to eat. So let's taste test if it's good or not. So this is how you prepare your tostada. So let me taste it. So good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to freaking subscribe, guys. And yeah, if you guys want to see more cooking videos, just comment down below. If you guys want to see more challenges or whatever, just let me know, comment down below. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.